Let's make one more exercise in FreeCAD. In this exercise, we'll learn how to use pad features, revolution, and pocket features. Okay, so open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part here, we'll select the top plane and make this rectangle, the base. Okay, we have all the dimensions here. The distance is 120 millimeters by 100 millimeters here, okay, on this side. And we need to make an extrusion with 20 millimeters. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch, select the top plane. Okay, now go to centered rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here with 100 millimeters by 120 millimeters. Press OK. We made this. Leave the sketch, go to pad, and the length here is 20 millimeters. Press OK. We made this. Okay, the step 1 is complete. Now we need to create this revolution here. Okay, so let's make this sketch. We'll select a face of this body. Okay, this face here, and we'll make a center line here. So let's make this. Select this face, select create a sketch, select line, make a line here with 120 millimeters. Press OK. Make a line here, okay. Now here we need to put this line in the center here, so go to symmetric constraint, okay. Select the line and select the midpoint here, okay. Now the center of this line is in the midpoint. Now let's create the sketch. We'll create a line here with 40 millimeters and another line here with 20 millimeters. Let's create all this sketch here first, then we'll put the dimensions, okay? So let's make this. Select the polyline, select this point here, make a line here. We'll put all the dimensions later, okay? No problem. Okay, we made this. Now let's put the dimensions, go to dimensions here, select this line, 40 millimeters, and select this line here, 20 millimeters. Okay. Now go to constraints and select the equal. Select this line here and this one. Now select this one and this one here. Now select this line and this line here. Okay. We made these two dimensions here, okay. Now the distance between this line here and the center line is 20 millimeters, and the angle between this line here and this line here is 45 degrees. So open the FreeCAD, go to dimensions again, select this line and this, the distance here 20 millimeters. Okay. And the angle between these two lines here is 45 degrees. Okay, we made this. Okay. Now leave the sketch. Go to revolution. The angle here is 180 degrees. Okay. And press OK. We made this. Okay. Now to finish this exercise, we need to create these two holes here. The diameter of this hole here, and this is 10 millimeters of diameter, okay. And the distance between the center of the circle and this edge is 10 millimeters, and here is the same dimension, 10 millimeters, the distance between the center of this circle and this edge here. So let's make this and select this face here, the bottom face, and select the create a sketch. Okay. Now here, select the create external geometry, click here in this edge, and click here in this edge. Okay. Now select the circle, make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter. and another one here with 10 millimeters of diameter. Okay, now go to sketch dimension. The distance between this edge and the center of the circle is 10 millimeters, the same distance here. We made this. Leave the sketch. Now go to pocket, and the type here, select it through all. Okay, we made this, and press OK. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.